Yes, all of you open the workbook, children. So now we can do the workbook exercise for the lesson Indian women in Olympics. Okay, Nana. So already you have read the lesson. So now you can do the answers very easily. Okay, shall we start? Do it. So open the workbook and then first see the first topic in the workbook for this lesson, understanding the text. Yes, understanding the text means they may ask multiple choice answers or else and question answers also. Now first part we have take the correct answer. First part we have take the correct answer. So what is that answers? So see the first sentence ma, what do we have? Mary Kom won a bronze medal in the. So Mary Kom won the bronze medal. So in the, that means in which Olympics? Wimbledon series or else London Olympics or else Indonesia Open or Hong Kong series, super series. All she played, but in which one she got bronze medal? Yes, very good. London Olympics, right? Do the answer. So write the answer for that. And now first one, Mary Kom won the bronze medal in the. So this they asked. So in the games they may ask or any options. So for that here what did they give? One option, Wimbledon series, Wimbledon series 2013, that is one option. And next B option, what did they give? London Olympics. London Olympics 2012. This is one option. And C option they gave Indonesia Open. Right ma? Indonesia Open. And D option, what did they give? Hong Kong Super Series. Hong Kong Super Series. So in which championship, in which tournament she got bronze medal? Yes, in the bronze medal generally we get in London Olympics. So that's why, I mean London means actually Olympics, that in 2012 it was conducted in London. So that's why London Olympics we have. In 2021 they conducted in Tokyo na? So the same way here. Now see the second one ma. Mary Kom was inspired by Dinko Singh to learn. So Dinko Singh, in which sport he was popular? He came to limelight. Yes, he is in the boxing. So the same Mary Kom also inspired, right ma? So see the second one. See the second one ma. Mary Kom was inspired by Dinko Singh, D-I-N-G-K-O, Dinko Singh, to learn what? Here options we have ma. One is A option, swimming, next B option, cycling, next C option, boxing, and D option, shooting. D option, shooting. So what are the games did they mention here? Swimming, cycling, boxing, shooting. So in all these, Mary Kom, that is, she was inspired by the Dinku Singh. In which game? Yes, boxing. That's why she played boxing later, na? She got bronze medal also in boxing. Very good. Next one, third one, Sinana. Saina Nehwal has a brown belt in. Yes, Saina Nehwal is a badminton player, but she got the brown belt in. Generally, where do we get brown belt, white belt, black belt, red belt, or else brown belt? Very good. Karate, right? Yes. So write the third one, ma. Saina Nehwal has a brown belt in. So where? See the options. A, karate. B option, judo. C option, badminton. And D option, golf. So she is a badminton player, but she got the brown belt in karate. Very good. So take it. And see the fourth one, Nana, what do we have? Saina's mentor is. Saina's mentor. So Atik Johari, Pullela Gopichand, Sachin Tendulkar, Prakash Padukone. No. Sachin Tendulkar from cricket. Prakash Padukone badminton. In 1980 he was the first Indian who got the medal in Olympics, but he didn't give. Atik Johari is her coach first, but Pullela Gopichand was the mentor first and later he was the main coach. Okay, so that's why here answer. Here they asked about mentor. That's why we should give the Pullela Gopichand is the mentor. Okay, Nana? Yes. See the first one, fourth one. Saina's mentor is. Saina's mentor is. So what do we have the options? Atik Johari. Atik Johari. B option, Pullela Gopichand. B option, Pullela Gopichand. C option, Sachin Tendulkar. D option, Prakash Padukone. So who was the mentor to him? To her? That is Pullela Gopichand. So take that one. Okay, Nana? Got it? So see that Mary Kom won the bronze medal in the London Olympics 2012. And Mary Kom was inspired by Dinku Singh to learn boxing. And next one, Saina Nehwal has a brown belt in karate. Last one, Saina's mentor is. Who is her mentor? Pullela Gopichand. Okay, Nana? So write this answer, then we can do question answers. Yes, see the next part, children. We have answer the following questions, ma. So next we have question answers. Already you know that very simple question answers we have for this lesson. So see that. First one, what do we have, ma? When and where was Mary Kom born? When and where was Mary Kom born? When did she born? Yes, now 24th November 1982. 24th November 1982. And where? That is, she is from Manipur. Right? So write the first answer. First one, what is that? When and where was Mary Kom When and where was Mary Kom born? So when and where means in which year and what is that place? So write the answer for this. Mary Kom was born. Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982 in Manipur. Okay, children. So 24th November 1982 in Manipur. So some people they say in March 1983 also, but maximum based on her history we have mostly that is 24th November 1982. Okay, Nana, according to Olympics and all these we get this one. Okay. And see the second question, Anna. So did you understand the first one? When and where was Mary Kom born? When Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982 in Manipur. Okay, Nana. And see the next question, ma. How did Mary Kom help her parents when she was a small girl? So she helped her parents when she was a small girl. How did she help? Yes, she took care of her young sisters and brother when her parents are away, right? So see the second one, ma. Second question. What do we have? How did Mary Kom help her parents Mary Kom help her parents when she was a small girl. When she was a small girl. So how did she help? Write the answer. Mary Kom took care of her sisters, her younger sisters. She has another 2 to 3 younger sisters, na? So younger sisters and a brother. When her parents were away. So whenever her parents went out for any work purpose, at that time Mary helped her parents by taking care of her younger sisters and brother. Okay, na? So how did Mary Kom help her parents when she was a small girl? Mary Kom took care of her younger sisters and a brother when her parents were away. Okay, children. So see the third one, ma. Third one, why did Mary Kom keep her interest in boxing a secret from her parents? Yes, she practiced, but she didn't reveal the secret. She kept that one as secret. Na? When she won the state championship, in the newspaper only her father saw. Right? Up to that, it was secret. Her parents didn't know about it. Right, ma? So why? So that why she kept it? Because that is because boxing was not considered a good for women. So in those days, first of all, no sport is encouraged, and that too boxing for women means no one encouraged. That's why she kept that very secretly, right? So say the third question. We can write the third question answer. So third question, what do we have, ma? Why did Mary Kom keep her interest keep her interest in boxing, keep her interest in boxing a secret from her parents. From her parents. Why? Write the answer. Mary Kom kept her interest. Mary Kom kept her interest in boxing. A secret from her parents. Because boxing was not considered a good sport, for women. A good sport for women. Right. So it's not at all good sport for women. That was considered in those days. Of course, nowadays also maximum people, they have that kind of opinion. That's why she kept it was a secret from her parents. Right, ma? So Mary Kom kept her interest in boxing a secret from her parents. Mary Kom kept her interest in boxing a secret from her parents because boxing was not considered a good sport for women. So it was not at all good. That kind of feeling maximum they have. That's why she kept it very secretly. Right, ma? So these are the question answers, 3. So first copy these 3 and then I'll tell you remaining 2. 2 more answers are there. First write these 3, all of you. See the 4th question, children. When and where was Saina Nehwal born? In this lesson we got mainly about Mary Kom and Saina Nehwal. So some questions about Mary Kom and another 2 questions about Saina Nehwal. So see these 2 questions. First one, that's the 4th one. When and where was Saina Nehwal born? So when she was born in 1990. And in which state she was born? Yes, she was born in Haryana. Hisar, Haryana we say. Okay. So see the 4th question. When and where was Saina Nehwal born? When and where was Saina Nehwal born? So write the answer for this, ma. Saina Nehwal was born. Saina Nehwal was born in Haryana on 17th March 1990. Okay, in Haryana on 17th March 1990. Okay, and Saina Nehwal was born in Haryana on 17th March 1990. Okay, Nana. And see the next question, 5th question, ma. Which medal did Saina Nehwal which medal did Saina Nehwal win in the London Olympics 2012? So which medal she got it in London Olympics? Yes, she also got bronze medal. She also got, Mary Kom also got bronze medal, and Saina Nehwal also got bronze medal. Okay, Nana. So see the fifth question. Which medal did Saina Nehwal win in the London Olympics 2012? So write the answer for this, ma. Saina Nehwal won a bronze medal in badminton in the London Olympics 2012. Okay, ma. So which medal did Saina Nehwal win in the London Olympics 2012? Saina Nehwal won a bronze medal in badminton in London Olympics 2012. Okay, Nana? Very simple answers, na? So all of you write these and learn the question answers thoroughly. See the next part, ma, we have word search. So next part we have word search. So what do we have in the word search? So first one we have fill in the blanks. First one we have in the word search, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks to complete the words. So they have given fill in the blanks here, but here they gave the clue words also what we need to write it. So what are those? Here they gave, one is arena. Arena means, you know, na, the place. In the middle they play the game, they keep it to play, and round to it they arrange the seats, the audience to sit and watch the game or any shows. Okay, and next one participate. Next one participate. Third one charcoal. Fourth one conferred. CONFERRED, conferred. And next one athlete. And last one champion. So total 6 words they have given. That where we have in this, we should find it. Okay, Nana. So see this one. First one they gave ARNA. Yes, easily you can find. What is that? Very good. Arena. ARENA. Good. And see the second one, ma. Second one C-NF -RR-D. Yes, which one suitable here? Yes, started with C means charcoal, conferred and champion. But here what do we have? CON. Third letter N, if you see, you get it. Very good. Conferred. 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 Okay, ma. So like this you should check it, or else you should suitable one also like this only you should go. Okay, from the lesson only they give na. And next one, third one, ma. A-L dash T dash. Okay, so here sorry ma, I didn't write the E here. So here athlete, ATHELETE, athlete. What is the spelling? ATHLETE, athlete. ATHLETE. And the next one ma, what did they give? Next one, fourth one, PA dash T dash C dash P dash T dash. So what do we have? PA started with P, only one word you have, easily you can find. Yes, participate. Spelling PARTICIPAT. Participate. Spelling PARTICIPAT. Participate. Okay ma. And next one ma, fifth one, dash dash AMP dash dash N. So how can you find this one? First two letters missed, but here what do we have? AMP. Yes, very good, easily you can find it. We have champion, 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 champion. And next one, last one, what do we have? CH dash dash CO dash L. So what is left over? Very good, charcoal. CHARCOAL, charcoal. CHARCOAL, charcoal. Okay ma. So what are the words we have? Arena, ARENA, arena. Second word, conferred, CONFERRED, conferred. And next one, athlete, ATHLETE, athlete. And next one is participate, PARTICIPATE, participate. And next one, champion, CHAMPION, champion. And next one ma, charcoal, CHARCOAL, charcoal. Okay nana. So these are the missing letters, first part in the word search. So all of you write these words and learn the spellings.